32 feels like 20 for special weather statement for snow. Gale warning, snow off and on throughout the day today. Happy Halloween!
So who likes the weather?
I like it.
Who? Stop thinking about the snow now, people. You sure?
Jake, you called this like...
William, look at your hair.
32 feels like 20 for snow. Winter weather advisory.